Hey there, microwave masters. If you're staring at the error code E1006 on your Bosch microwave and feeling a bit lost, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into what this code means, why it happens, and how to fix it quickly and easily. Let's get started. First off, error code E1006 on a Bosch microwave typically signals a problem with the humidity sensor or possibly a door switch issue. This code pops up when the microwave detects that something's off with its internal sensors, which are crucial for safe and efficient operation. Don't panic. It's often something simple that we can resolve at home. Now, let's talk about the common causes. This error might be triggered by a faulty humidity sensor, which could be dirty or damaged from spills or wear and tear. Other culprits include loose wiring connections, power supply fluctuations, or even a misaligned microwave door that's not closing properly. In some cases, it could stem from electronic interference or an outdated firmware, especially in older models. Alright, time for the solutions. Start by unplugging your microwave from the power source for about 5 minutes. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches and might just solve the problem. Once it's plugged back in, check if the error persists. If it does, inspect the door for any obstructions or damage. Make sure it seals tightly. Next, if you're comfortable, open up the microwave, with it unplugged, of course, and gently clean the humidity sensor with a soft cloth. Avoid using water or chemicals to prevent further damage. If these steps don't work, it might be a deeper issue like a wiring problem or a defective part. In that case, consult your microwave's manual or reach out to Bosch customer support. They can guide you on whether a professional repair is needed. There you have it, a straightforward guide to fixing error code E1006. Remember, safety first. Always unplug your appliance before troubleshooting. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing.